welcome to Generac Service Training. In this video, we're going to talk about what to do when your generator won't start. The biggest thing to understand is that there are three basic required elements to make an engine run. First, you must have proper fuel-air mixture, and it's a requirement. Two, you must have a good spark, and it must occur at the proper time. And three, compression is absolutely necessary. So let's take the air-fuel mixture. The carburetor creates this mixture from gasoline and air. For the carburetor to create this mixture, there must be gas available. If there's no gas, or if the gas is contaminated with water, or if the gas is aged significantly, say 30 to 90 days, the generator likely won't start. Some things to check are, is there gas in the tank? Is the fuel valve turned on? Also, if the air isn't getting to the engine, the air filter could be plugged, restricting the airflow. And this can also cause the engine not to start or to run rough. And some things to check here, is the air filter clean and free of restriction? Next, let's talk about spark. In order for the fuel-air mixture to ignite inside the engine, spark must occur at the proper time. For spark to occur, the engine must be rotating or turning over. And some things to check here are, do you see a spark? Is it a blue spark? Is it a good spark? Is the spark plug fouled? Is it wet? Is it dry? These are things to check. Also, is the engine full of oil? If it's not full of oil, you're not going to get a spark. And lastly, compression. If there's no compression, the engine won't start. In order for the fuel and air to be drawn into the cylinder, valves must be adjusted correctly. If there's a problem with compression, the engine will likely pull over easily, but it may not start. And the things to check here are your valves adjusted correctly. And does the engine turn over freely, or does it pull hard, or does it pull easily and then snap the cord out of your hand? That's something to consider as well. With these checks, you'll know where the problem lies, and with a simple repair or adjustment, you'll have your lights on in no time. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Generac Service Training, we believe knowledge is power.